So these welding tip cleaners come in different sizes. So see what's a good size. Let's see if this one fits through. And you just run it in. Oh, that one doesn't fit in there. We'll see if it fits in there. Gonna have to go with a small one. Get your carb and choke cleaner, stick your straw on there, spray it in those two holes right there, and you should be good. See, this light helps us out. That's your main jet. It's your main jet, the bottom one. Top one is just where your float stopper goes. So if you're having it overflow with gas, not get enough gas, it run from it, then shut off. Either that jet right there, that hole right there is clogged, partially clogged, or that hole up there is like clogged, partially clogged. In order to put that back in, just goes in like that, and then the pin slides across. The pin slides across right here and right here, these two ears.